Right, welcome back. Next update. Pods. Now, I'm going for the Atek pods on these. And it's not because I've had the roof just done. It was the fact is that I like the shape of the actual outside of the pod. And it looks nice. Where some of the other pods quite rounded, or they've got like a random line which doesn't follow the lines of the van. And they just, I don't know, it's personal preference really, but they just look nice, Atek. Well, I'm saying, I've not even fitted them yet. So, in true Josie fashion, I'm doing it on a built van, which is already built. So welcome to the backward build. So the challenges I've got with this, right, is going to be taking all the carpeting, the insulation off this inside wall. I'm doing both sides as well. And got to cut these supports out here, panel supports. I've got one here as well. But mine stops short here, where the actual shower unit is. So I'm going to have to cut up as close to that as possible and just keep it nice and tidy. And then I may infill that with something, or I might just put a little shelf in for tidbits, because you can never have enough storage in a camper van. And I'll just see how it goes. I'm a bit nervous though, because it's a big hole, and once you cut that, it's the point of no return, isn't it? We could have a pickup here at this rate. So let's see how it goes, right? Tell you what, I think I went a bit mad with that insulation. Thermal light, so we had sound deadening, a bit too much of that. So if you're doing a build, don't use loads. You don't need to do the whole panel like I did, like an idiot. And it's a pain in the ass to get off. Then you got 10mm thermal liner on top of that. I'm trying to peel it off there. Just done around the edges now where I can get the cutter into it. And obviously get these cut braces. The bottom bit is going to be a mission, because this unit, I don't really want to take it out, and if I have to take it out, it's going to be a mish. So I'm going to cut out round the door, round the window, the door. Man, you might end up like a door, yeah. Cut round that, and then when I can get to the bottom bit there, I'll see how the cutter runs into it. If I can get a good line on it, happy days. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Right, so I've got these, because I don't want to be grinding in the van, especially with all the units, carpet and the filings will just stick to everything. So I've got these little bad boys. And basically, I'm going to do a test cut first, see if it actually work. And you get them in, and they're just a little nibbler. You can hear the bits, whether I can get to the back of that. There's probably more dodo line of shite in the back, no doubt. That's it. Don't depress it all the way. Had a good run then. The half unit had to come out, I gave in, just to get to the bottom of those bloody supports, you know, on the windows, chopping them through. You couldn't get your fingers in there, so the top's off. I give up building this bloody van, may I tell you. Right, so now we're going to do the test fit of the pod. I'm going to see if that fits before we even cut a hole in it. Because knowing my luck, that won't fit. You know my track record. Make sure we've got right bloody side. Fat one for this side. Let's have a look. Oh, I tell you what. That ain't a bad fit. Right, holes drilled. Got this right from Amazon. I think it was 50 quid. Nibbler. Never used it. This can go absolutely tits up. Deep breath.
Guess I'm left to say. Guess I'm left to say. Don't you know that you drive me? I guess I'm left to say. You've been like you've been like.
Well, could always make a burger van out of it, couldn't I? That was rough, that. I left that run there, right, because I need to tidy that edge up as I go through it. You can see where it's snagged on carpet there, going through it. But I'll tell you what, it's cut alright nice up there. The top bit's quite good. That's nice. Probably trim a little tiny bit off that. That is nerve-wracking. How do you think it starts raining now? Committed? Too late. Right, so that's all keyed off now. Just put a mark. Stop using blue tape, me, tell you. Blue on blue with a blue pen. Backward. Get a bit of primer on here now. Probably gone a bit OTT with primer, but colours that in because the blue stands out. If you miss any bits, it just stands out. At least that covers them gaps in, it says. Right, so these pods, because they've only got a narrow lip on the actual pod, I think I'm going to put the adhesive actually on here, on the actual rim, so I know, because it'd be quite hard. Well, it won't be hard to gauge, it's just about to put loads on. But I think I might just splodge all this bit up round here, pack this end up, because you've got a bit more meat on that one there, because these are quite thin, you know, for the pod bit. So if I put a nice big bead on that all the way across, I think we'll be cooking with gas, lad. I'll be using a bit of Sicker 252, because I believe this is the stuff which is for bonding shade. Gloves? Probably here. No, it's a bit late now, it's all my fingers. Right, plan of attack is, I'm going to pick the pod up, push it on, and if it's misaligned, it's your fault, not mine. What we do when we get on, we'll turn it sideways and go in. Do you want to go out the other way? Hold up, China. Right, spin it sideways. You ready? Right, so we'll line, I'll get my end in first over here. Slowly. Right, rest yours on there, yeah, that's it. Go on. Push it up. Right, just wait there for a couple of hours late set, yeah? There we have it, the Atek pods. Nice finish on them. It's only like a wrapped paint, but I just like the lines, you know, going along it and that. I think it just looks, it stands out a bit. It doesn't look round, it's nice squared effects, and it just looks in keeping with the van. You see it's curved to the vehicle as well, which is quite nice. And on the other side, oh, sneak peek, didn't see that. On the other side, you've got the slimmer version this side. It just ties in nice, so you don't need the extra bracket for the door on this one. The door just clears out. Well, it's got quite a good distance for you. I bet you could have got another ½ inch out of that one, but no point. That's the next job. Spray that one up. You can see that blue line as well. Blue vans, absolute pain in the butt, I tell you. So you need to, I'll probably fill that in as well when I paint it, so it just blends in a little bit better. Because I wanted to keep the line at the top level where the window is. I didn't want to drop it down so it stepped at the top. It looked a bit rubbish, but it looks good. No doubt you would have seen that little sneak peek in the back of the van then. That's the next project. Not going very well really, but we're getting there. It always works out in the end. Right, see you lot later.